Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of looking at the same old wallpaper on your Android device? Changing your wallpaper can breathe new life into your home screen and make your device feel fresh and personalized. Today, we're exploring 3 of the best wallpaper apps available for Android that offer stunning images and unique designs to help you express your style. Let's get started. Wallfactory. Wallfactory is an impressive wallpaper app that offers a diverse collection of high-quality images for Android users. The app features a user-friendly interface, allowing easy navigation through categories such as nature, abstract, landscapes, and more. Users can find stunning wallpapers in various resolutions, ensuring a perfect fit for their device's screen. One of the standout features is the ability to set wallpapers directly from the app with a single tap. Additionally, Wallfactory frequently updates its collection, providing users with fresh content regularly. Whether you're looking for vibrant colors or serene landscapes, Wallfactory makes it simple to customize your home screen with beautiful backgrounds. Dreamwalls. Dreamwalls is a visually driven wallpaper app that showcases a wide range of artistic and creative wallpapers. Specializing in thematic collections, the app features stunning graphics, minimalistic designs, and illustrations that can give your device a unique look. Users can browse through curated categories or use the search function to find specific styles. Dreamwalls also allows users to save their favorite wallpapers and easily access them later. The app supports high-resolution images to ensure that your wallpapers look sharp and crisp on any device. With its artistic flair, Dreamwalls is ideal for users who appreciate creative designs and want to stand out with their wallpaper choices. Trendy Wall Plus. Trendy Wall Plus is a stylish wallpaper app that focuses on the latest trends in wallpaper design. The app features a rich catalog of wallpapers categorized by themes and styles, including abstracts, patterns, and seasonal designs. Users can explore new and trending wallpapers, ensuring their device always looks up-to-date and visually appealing. The app also includes features that allow users to customize their wallpaper settings, such as adjusting the brightness and applying filters. Additionally, Trendy Wall Plus provides an option for users to submit their own wallpaper designs, fostering a community of creators. For those who enjoy staying current with design trends, this app is a fantastic option for updating their device's look. Thanks for joining us. We hope this overview of the best wallpaper apps helps you find the perfect backgrounds to elevate your Android device's look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app recommendations and tips. Have you tried any of these apps? Or do you have your own favorites? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy customizing!